Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious brownies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, melted, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder for that rich chocolate flavor. Finally, grab 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's start mixing. Begin by melting your 1/2 cup of butter, then combine it with the 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in a large bowl. Whisk these wet ingredients until smooth. In a separate bowl, combine your 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold the dry mixture into the wet until just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. Line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Pour your brownie batter evenly into the prepared pan. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Avoid overbaking for fudgy results. The hardest part is waiting, but it's crucial for perfect brownies. Let them cool completely in the pan for at least 1 hour. This allows them to set properly and become fudgy. Once cooled, use the parchment paper overhang to easily lift the entire slab of brownies from the pan. Now you can cut them into 16 delicious squares. Serve them plain with a dusting of powdered sugar or alongside a scoop of your favorite vanilla ice cream. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.